In a city's fringe, Leo tinkers in his grandpa's garage.
Did you know you can create a full-length animated kids story like this with just one simple prompt? With Magic Light, you get a complete animated story with consistent characters and smooth animations, making your video look truly professional. Just sign up using the link in the description and you're ready to go. First, we need a story idea. We'll use ChatGPT to generate multiple creative ideas. Paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Generate unique and imaginative story ideas for kids, featuring fun characters and exciting adventures. Keep the ideas short, engaging, and suitable for animation. Provide a list of different concepts so we can choose one to develop into a full story. All prompts are available in the description. Once we have a list, we'll pick the most interesting idea and expand it into a full script using this prompt. Expand the idea, insert idea title, into a full story written only in narration, without scene headings or dialogue. Now it's time to animate. We'll paste our script into Magic Light and customize the video. First, we select the aspect ratio, landscape for YouTube, then choose the video style, 3D cartoon, Disney, anime, etc. Once the AI processes the story, it creates scenes with one image per scene. More lines mean more scenes. You can edit or split scenes as needed, keeping them 3 to 4 seconds long for better engagement. Once satisfied, click Next. This will take you to the cast page. Click Edit Character to select an existing one or create a new one using a prompt. Paste this into ChatGPT's Story tab. Analyze this story and generate a brief description of each main character, including their face, clothing, and unique traits. Keep each description under 500 characters. Copy the details, paste them into Magic Light, and click Generate Image. Once the AI creates the character, select and confirm. Repeat for all characters or choose from existing ones. Now, click Next to continue. Pick a voiceover and adjust the speed. Magic Light will automatically generate scene images, but we can refine them by adjusting or regenerating images. To make the animation smoother, we use Animate Pro for fluid motion. Repeat this process for all images. If you run out of credits, you can leave the remaining images static. For now, I'll keep the rest of the images unanimated. Tap Next to proceed, then choose a caption style and background music. Lower the music volume for better clarity. Once everything looks perfect, tap Generate, and Magic Light will create a seamless, monetizable animated story ready for YouTube.
In a city's fringe, Leo tinkers in his grandpa's garage. Leo had always dreamed of making something extraordinary, and after months of trial and error, he had finally succeeded. This was no ordinary cart. It was a time machine. With a flick of a switch, it could roll through the past or zoom into the future, all while serving up scoops of the most delicious ice cream imaginable. Excited and a little nervous, Leo decided to test his invention. He turned the dial to the past and pressed the green button. With a hum and a whoosh, the cart lifted slightly off the ground, and in an instant, the world around him changed. The towering buildings of his city disappeared, replaced by cobblestone streets and horse-drawn carriages. Children in old-fashioned clothes stared in amazement as Leo rolled past, their eyes widening as he scooped colorful swirls of ice cream into cones. Just as he was marveling at the success of his invention, he noticed a small boy standing at a distance, watching with longing eyes. His clothes were worn, and his face was smudged with dust. Without hesitation, Leo handed him a cone of chocolate ice cream, watching as the boy's face lit up with delight. It was the first time he had ever tasted something so sweet. Wanting to see more, Leo adjusted the dial and set the cart for the future. In a flash, the scene shifted again. Towering glass buildings reached into the clouds, and floating cars zipped through the air. People dressed in sleek metallic outfits walked the streets, but despite all the advanced technology, there was something missing. There was no laughter, no chatter, and no sign of anything as simple as ice cream. Leo pushed his cart forward, drawing curious looks from passers-by. When he handed out a scoop to a serious-looking girl staring at a glowing screen, her expression softened instantly. Soon, more people gathered, tasting the cold, creamy treats for the first time in years. Laughter bubbled up around him, and for the first time in ages, the future didn't seem so serious. Satisfied, Leo turned the dial once more and returned to the present. The cart hummed as it landed softly in his garage, as if it had never left. He smiled to himself, knowing that no matter where or when he traveled, ice cream had the power to bring joy to everyone. And so, with a heart full of adventure and a cart full of possibilities, Leo continued his journey through time, sharing sweetness with the world, one scoop at a time.